Hi, good day to everyone. I am D. Monica, 2nd BCom B, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, I will talk about company laws, directors of the company. We will start the session. Contents, meaning, definition. Who can become a directors? Number of directors, appointment of directors, duties of directors, and removal of directors. Meaning, a company, being a creation of law, lacks both body and mind. He cannot act on its own. It can do so only through some human agency. The person through whom a company acts and does its business are termed as directors. They are collectively known as board of directors or board. The directors are the brain of the company. They occupy an important position in the company. Next, definition of the company. Section 2, subset of 34. A director may be defined as a person having control over the direction, conduct, management, or superintendent of the affairs of the company. Who can become a director? Only individual can become the director of the company. A body, corporate, and association or a firm cannot be appointed as a director. Next, number of directors. Every public company shall have at least 3 directors and every private company shall have at least 2 directors. And every OPC means one person company shall have 1 directors. The maximum number of directors is 15 and there must be at least 1 woman director in every company. Any increase may be done by passing a special resolution in the annual general meeting. Next, appointment of directors. The directors of the company can be appointed in the following ways, such as first, directors, appointment by member in AGM, appointment of new director other than retiring director, appointment by independent director, appointment by board, appointment by third parties, appointment by proportional representation, appointment by small shareholders. First, directors. The articles of the company usually name the first directors. If they are not named, the subscribers to the memorandum become the first director of the company. They hold office until first annual general meeting. Next, appointment by member in annual general meeting section 152. Subsequent director will be appointed in the annual general meeting by the members. The following were the provision relating to the subsequent appointment. A person to be appointed as a director shall have director 10 number of members allotted by the central government. A person appointed as a director shall give his consent to do hold the office and must be filed with ROC. ROC means Register of Certificate within 30 days of his appointment. Every company shall have at least one third of the resident of directors staying in India. Every company shall have at least one third of the board as an independent director. At least two-thirds of the director shall liable to retire by rotation at every AGM. They are called as rotational directors. At the annual general meeting, the vacancy arising out of the retiring director must be filled by appointing the retiring directors again some other person. Next, appointment of new directors other than retirement director. If a person were to be appointed as a director, he should be eligible to hold office. Such intention of the person is to be made known to company 14 days before the meeting. The person along with his intention must being rupees 1 lakh to be elected as a director. A company must inform its candidate for director at least 7 days before the meeting to all the members. If such a person is elected as a director, the amount deposited will be refunded to him. If he is not elected, then the amount is deposited will not be refunded to him. Next, appointment of independent director under section 149. Every listed company shall have at least one third of the total number of directors as the independent directors, and the government and may prescribe the minimum number of independent directors in company. Appointment by court. The board of directors may appoint the director in the following cases, such as additional directors, casual vacancy, alternate directors. Additional directors means such additional directors hold office only up to date of next AGM of the company. The number of additional directors must not exceed the maximum strength fixed by the articles. Casual vacancy. In case of public company, any director may vacate his office before his term expires. In such a case, the resulting casual vacancy may be filed by the director at a meeting of the board. The casual vacancy may arise due to death, lunacy, insolvency of a director. Alternate director. The board of director of the company may, if authorized by the article, appointed alternate director. He is substitute for the original director during his absence. Next, appointment by third parties. The article under certain circumstances give power to the debenture holders or other creditors to appoint their nominees to the board. Sometimes the board may appoint any person as a director nominated by any institution or state or central government. These directors are not liable to retire by rotation. Appointment by small shareholders minority. A listed company may have one director elected by small shareholders. Shareholders holding not more than share of rupees 20,000. In above slides, we see the points of appointment of director. In below slides, we will see removal of directors. Following a removal procedure, removal of director by shareholders, notice to be served, right of the director to make representation, filing up of vacancy. Removal of director by shareholders. A company may be ordinary resolution remove a director from his office before the expiry of period of office. Notice to be served. A special notice shall be served to the directors 14 days before the meeting regarding the resolution for removal and must be informed to the members. Right of the director to make representation. The director concerned can make representation regarding his notice of removal, and the representation may be circulated to other members and made known to all the members. Filing up vacancy. In the place of directors being removed, a new director may be appointed in the same meeting itself, and the removed director must not be reappointed. We will finish the removal of directors. Thank you for listening and watching.